Okay. Since I cannot use the video, whether Duet, Stitch, or whatever, nung unfortunate incident sa Naiya 1, as reminded by a public comment sa isang Duet video ko. And thank you, Thank you, by the way, sa reminder na yon. Since I cannot, And talagang dapat nga, na ganon. I'd like to share the same message pa rin, Uh, being a husband, being an uncle, being a loved one. To my fellow drivers, riders, na it's a public, it's a huge responsibility for us to be, alam ba yun, responsible sa kalsada. Hindi lang buhay natin, kung wala tayong paki sa buhay natin, okay lang yun. I mean, buhay natin yan. Pero we have to be responsible, para sa ibang tao. Lalo na kung kasama natin yung mga mahal natin sa buhay. Tapos syempre, yun na nga, yung ibang tao na nasa kalsada. It's very unfortunate na nangyayari itong mga ganito for whatever reason. So, we really cannot afford to have some lapses sa pagmamaneho. So again, being a husband and an uncle, I say this reminder over and over, even before pa, na let's be responsible sa kalsada. Let's be responsible sa kalsada. Okay?